Thanks very much. I'll give you a break there, Jason. We are back down here at Beltone Hearing Center, and when we were last checking in with you guys, I was hooked up to the tone machine to see just how deaf I am. We're turning things over to Ira to interpret the findings, and looking at this, I'm assuming, like, if this was a stock, you would have sold a long time ago. So what you're saying is I should probably sell my left ear at this point.
Absolutely. I do want to just make mention that ordinarily a hearing test like this is done in a soundproof environment.
Okay.
And we have a booth here that we do most of our testing in. But because of the camera and a lot of and we wanted to be able to show it graphically, we weren't able to do that.
There you go. So thanks, Gavin. Appreciate this. That's all on you. That's why I can't hear.
Okay. So now let's look at this.
These numbers here.
So again, if you look at the audiogram, an audiogram is a graphic representation of your hearing. Right. The numbers along the top are the different frequencies going from the lowest frequency at 125 to the highest, which is 8,000. And the numbers along the side going from top to bottom are the different intensity levels we use. Okay? So normal hearing is measured in decibels. And decibel is a measurement of loudness. So 0 to 25 decibels is normal hearing. And as you can see, you have absolutely nothing in that area. Okay? 25 to 40
well, you know what? People always tell me I'm special, so
well, you're very
I'm not
special.
surprised.
25 to 40 is a mild hearing loss. And again, you've got nothing there. We go to the moderate area, and your right ear pretty much is entirely in the moderate area. Your left ear goes from moderate to severe, and even a touch to profound in the highest frequencies. Now, I just want to note that in your right ear, because you had that big wax buildup, it's very possible that a good part of that is due to the wax.
So basically, there's a good chance that my deafness in the right ear is due to my really poor oral hygiene.
Right. Now,
this oral.
We can check that by bypassing the outer and middle ear. And we do that with bone conduction. Okay. So if we put this vibrator behind your ear,
ooh, neat,
and then test it again.
All right.
If the results are the same, then it is a nerve loss, and it's something that's going on in your ear. If the result is better, then we know the problem is actually in your, let's see.
All right, so as you set up the vibrator behind my ear, basically you're going to be able to determine whether or not that the red bars here are in fact accurate, the ones on the screen right here.
So just give me a second. Yeah. Okay, here we go. No worries. Bone conduction.
Wearing this thing, I feel like I'm in a call center right now.
So again, when you hear the sound, you press the button for me. Okay. We're not going to be able to see it on the graph, unfortunately.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so let's go over to the next one.
Oh man, I already feel like I've been studying. I feel good about this. Click. Click. That was a tough question.
Okay.
Yeah. Click. Click. That's like multiplication. Oh, there we go. Click.
So I think we've got enough to give me an answer.
Okay.
If we go to the very low frequencies, 250 and 500 cycles, when we do the bone conduction, your hearing went up to a normal level. It went up to about 20 to 15 and 20 in those two. As we got to the higher frequencies, there was still a loss of hearing. So you do have what we call a mixed loss. Part of it is conductive based on the wax, and the other is nerve.
All right. Well, that's good to know because it means that I only have some hearing loss due to my disgusting hygiene habits.
Right.
We're going to explore more from the world of hearing and hearing loss down here at the Beltone Hearing Center coming up. Right now, though, we'll toss things back to you in studio, Jason.